everyone, it's Ahum here. Today we're making a very basic project in Python. It's for beginners. We are making a number guessing game. Okay, first let's open Visual Studio Code. You can use PyCharm also, or you can use anything you would prefer. Okay, so in VS Code we open a folder like that. E You can make a project by dates, number, game. Okay, so let's make src for source code. It's available on GitHub. You can check my GitHub for the source codes main.python. Okay, so basically the game, let's make a file. Okay, let's open the toggle screencast mode. Okay, good. Now so our game is like that. User will enter user shall enter like numbers like that. Okay, user will enter the number like that, and number like between 1 to 100, so 89. Then computer will generate a random number like 87. If it's matched, it will say congrats, the number matched. Basically this is not a basically, you can say this is not a number guessing game. This is a number match game. Your computer mind and your minds matched or not. Okay, first let's add a 3-line comment for the authorship. So author, the code is Ahum, me, Ahamitra, then date is 12/03/2025. Okay, now simply we will import the random module, the random. Okay, random is a good module, it's built in. Okay, random def, then number matching. Okay, my extension is worked or not? Yes, it's work. So sometimes it's not sponsored, but sometimes we want to just spell fix the spelling mistake, right? Sometimes you can wrote checks. Okay, so how can you fix it? Checks not let's like that. Okay, how can you fix it? So you need to install a great extension called spell checker. Spell here code spell checker by streetsitesoftware.com. You can download in VS Code. So now we make a function number matching. So basically computer, so first will be enter. So okay, I'm not adding comments because it's a very basic program. Computer equals to, now look, random dot rand int. Okay, now 1 to 100 and user is equal to input int, then input, enter a number between 1 to 100. Okay, I think that should be great. Okay, now print the user. That's a very basic project. Then if user equals to computer number, if number is same, print congrats, or you can write congratulations, congrats, your mind and your computer mind just matched. Okay, your number, let's make a f string. Okay, your number, then simply user, user tab. Okay, user and your computer, no, simply computer number, then computer. Okay, right. What else? What don't match this time? Okay, else, sorry, your mind and your computer mind don't match. You can customize the text. Better luck next time. Okay, now user, simply F, then user, your number, number, then user, computer number is equals to computer. Let's correct. Okay, so that is very basic. I think this program is very basic. Hmm, this is a very basic syntax of how to make this type of game, like number guessing, number matching, or even like rock paper scissors, snake and water game. So this is a very basic one, right? So what if user enter user account to str? You can customize the some conditions and make this code bigger, but I think that is not very bad. Okay, then simply number matching. Okay, good. Let's run this code. Okay, enter a number. So one. Sorry, your mind. Okay, computer. I think this thing should be like that. It's better. User. Sometimes user got this as a -3. Okay, 112. Okay, then why matched? Okay, so simply, I think you would like this video. If you like this, you can share to your friends. Okay, and I think if you're a Python developer, I installed a theme. I installed many themes. You can use GitHub Dart default. This is a cool theme. I think for C developers that is a cool, but also for Python developers. And thanks for today.